Let's get started with fifth problem. So the fifth problem and second problem both are almost same. So here base radius and top radius both are same, but in this problem the base radius is less, top radius is more. So that is the difference. We will take how many turns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 9 turns. So we will assume same parameters as second problem. So limits, units and zoom all has been given. Now command is HELIX, 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 enter. So specify the base point. So I am clicking here. So diameter, so diameter will give us 25. Now top radius we will give it as 50 and number of turns 9. Now turn height as 10. Okay. Now helix is created. So isometric view. So the path, swept path is created. Now we have to draw a circle. So we will draw a circle with a diameter 5 mm diameter. Okay, circle is created. Now sweep, select the object, circle, enter. Now path. The system is taking time. Now it is created. Now conceptual, you can find the answer. Okay, so this is the fifth one. Okay, thank you.